Hi, Yule, Kansas home guys down here in Haysville, checking out this beautiful home that we purchased recently, and we're gonna start doing some work in here. We've done a little bit of clean out on the inside, but we're gonna go inside, take a look, and see exactly what we have left to do and what we're gonna do to get this project started. Hi, we're in the basement down at the Haysville house, and this house just before we bought it, there was a bad rainstorm and the electricity went out in the area, so the sump pumps in the whole area, the electricity was lost, so sump pumps weren't working. They had a little bit of a flood here, and so all the sheetrock's been ripped out. The bottom, just the bottom 4 feet from around the whole room here. You can see all that sheetrock's been tore out. So that's one of the first projects we'll be tackling is getting the sheetrock up and fixing that. You can see some more down this hallway here, just all over. And this is such a beautiful home. We're really excited to start working on this and turn this into a great place for a family to live. You got a lot of bedrooms and some great bathrooms. So we're excited to get this project tackled, and we'll keep you posted on the progress as we keep moving along. This bar area certainly had a little bit of damage done through that flooding that was here, the water damage. So we've ripped most of this bar area apart, and we'll just transform this whole thing during our rehab process. So this is going to look really cool when we're finished, and I think you guys will love watching the progress. So we're coming upstairs, checking out the main level of the house. Nice big open kitchen. We've already done a lot of demo and clean out. There was quite a bit of debris in this house when we bought it. It's one of the great things about working with Kansas home guys is you just leave everything behind and we're going to take care of the rest. This goes back into the master bedroom. I love this master. There's a door out onto the deck. And then you got a beautiful backyard, good size. I think this sits on a half-acre lot, this house. Then you got your master bath. Got that corner tub with some jets in there. 2 separate sinks. It's not just one cabinet with 2 sinks. I really like the 2 separate sinks. And then a nice sized closet and a stand-up shower in here as well. So just out of the master bedroom, you've got your laundry room and access to the garage. And we got a couple more bedrooms. So this is backyard at the Haysville house. Really good size house, great backyard. In addition to the house with a 3-car garage attached, you've got the house back here, and then right over there is a separate 2-car garage. It's an oversized garage, so there's a little bit of storage space in the side. But I think that we're sitting on about a half-acre lot here, and makes for a really big backyard. Let's kind of do a little spin around here. Neighbors over here even have a couple horses. And we're just walking to the end of the lot here. Then we had some horses over there earlier. Not sure we still, yeah, we can kind of see them flapping their tails around. So just down here in Haysville, it's good property. Get a little bit of land, not far from town at all.